Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The iPhone SE 2020 launched in mid-April 2020 as the first affordable phone Apple's released since the iPhone 8 in late 2017. But according to rumors, there's another mid-range handset headed our way at some point in 2020. Because we are expecting to see the iPhone SE Plus, this shouldn't be a big surprise given how much bigger phones have gotten since the original iPhone SE launched. Even though this updated version is larger with a 5.5-inch display, today's handsets have screens closer to 7 inches. But another reason it shouldn't be too shocking, the iPhone SE 2020 is essentially new hardware shoved into an iPhone 8 body, so it would seem easy to similarly transition the iPhone 8 Plus into a bigger iPhone SE Plus. We haven't heard too much about this larger model of the mid-range handset, but we have managed to capture some noise, and in this video we will be sharing all of them. We don't know when the iPhone SE will come out, but rumors have suggested that the iPhone SE Plus is at least in the works. Sadly, noted analyst Ming-Chi Kuo estimated we might not see the iPhone SE Plus until the second half of 2021. Similarly, we haven't heard any official word on how much the iPhone SE Plus will cost. Given the iPhone SE 2020 has a starting price tag of $399, which was lower than the latest official price of the iPhone 8 before it was discontinued, it wouldn't be too out of line to guess the SE Plus will be cheaper than the iPhone 8 Plus. It's true there aren't many rumors out for the iPhone SE Plus, but there was another set of leaks defining the hardware of this upcoming phone. The iPhone SE 2020 inherited its hardware, aside from chipset and RAM, from the iPhone 8, including its 4.7-inch LCD display at HD resolution. By that notion, the iPhone SE Plus will likely have the same specs as the iPhone 8 Plus, getting a 5.5-inch FHD display. Likewise, it will probably also inherit the iPhone 8 Plus's dual rear cameras, a 12MP wide and 12MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom. It can manage 4K video at 60fps or 1080p HD at 30fps through the 7MP front-facing camera. As for the chipset, we believe it will remain the same as the iPhone SE. Perhaps Apple will tweak the processor for better speed, but that remains to be seen. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.